don't export your video before fixing this, unless it's a setup for your next video. Well, the reason why it's acting like this is because it's either not installed the right way or it's not compatible with the Final Cut Pro version you are using. Or maybe there's a bug somewhere, that's why you can see this error. I've done a video like this before, but I've learned some stuff since, and I'm trying to give more substance to this content, and hopefully it's gonna help someone out there. If it's a bug, just restart Final Cut Pro and or restart the computer. That's the easiest trick, right? You never know how much this old but simple trick can help. You know, just give it a try and maybe it will work out. The other thing you can do is you can also reset all your preferences in Final Cut Pro. This means you're gonna reset everything to their default settings. To do this, just press and hold Option and Command at the same time, and then open Final Cut Pro. You will see this dialog box right here and choose Delete Preferences. You see, it tells you right there what this action does to your software, and this might help fix the bug, but of course, you'll have to choose the best settings for your workflow again after you do this. Like your render preferences, not asking Final Cut Pro to create unnecessary copies that will take a lot of space just for a smoother playback, and all that stuff. Whatever preferences you had before, you're gonna have to redo all of that all over again. Now, if the reason is because the plugin is not compatible with the version you are using, then you can try to backdate the plugin. This is how you do that. Right-click on the plugin that's not working and then click on Reveal in Finder. That's the fastest way to get here. Right-click on this file, and it's gonna depend on the plugin, but it's the file that has an extension .moef for effects, or .H.Neat.R for transitions, if the plugin that is not working is a transition, .mot or moti for titles, and .motn or motn for generators. When you think about it, these extensions actually make sense. Motion effects for moef, motion transitions, motion titles, and motion tn. Yeah, I'm wondering why they didn't put, you know, .mogn, mogn for generators, or .moge. Just, you know, just thinking, like, everything else makes sense except this last one, but that's not important. Anyway, once you right-click this file, open with text edit. And this kind of looks scary if you've never worked with these commands or codes, but we're only going to change the OZML version and the display version. I left the link in the description, but you can go to fcpxtemplates.com and go to their Apple Motion compatibility page, scroll down, and you will see this list here. They do a great job updating this list, so check the version of Final Cut Pro you are using and match the plugin with the OZML version and the display version that is listed here. If you want to know the version of your Final Cut Pro, go to Final Cut Pro, click on Final Cut Pro, and then click on About Final Cut Pro. And there it is. Wait, there's even a better way to do this. It's on the same website, and I also left the link in the description. Just click on it and the page will look like this. Upload the file and choose the Final Cut Pro version you want to backdate this plugin with. When it's done, you can download it and put it back in the same location you took it from, and it should work. Now, talking about location, most of the time plugin fails because it wasn't properly installed. You see, they have to be in the right location to work. So .moef needs to be in the effects folder, and .moti needs to be in the title folder, .H.Neat.R needs to be in the transition folder, and .motn needs to be in the generator folder. So let's say you downloaded this free lower third that I have in the description right here. How many times have I said in the description in this video? Hey, that means there's some good stuff there, so don't miss all the good stuff, all the free links in the description. Okay, let's go back to this thing. This file is a .moti file, so it's got to go in the titles folder. To get there, you can go to Movies, Motion Templates, and you will get here. Choose Titles because it's the title animation, and you can drag and drop the title in this folder. But if you're extremely cautious, you will copy the file first and then paste it instead of just dragging and dropping it. The other thing that you need to check when you install your plugins is to make sure that all these folders have the .localized extension. Let me show you guys really quick. You can right-click on one of these folders and click on the Get Info and look at the name and extension. And there you go. This is very important. Your file has to have this .localized extension right here for your plugins to work in Final Cut Pro. If you don't see this extension with your folder, just add it right there. Click in this box and start typing. Type .localized. Motion Templates folder has to have that extension, and so do all the folders in it. And that's it. Hope you guys got any value from this one. If you did, subscribe and check out these other videos for Final Cut Pro users, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully. Peace.